Let's do an NCLEX question from my free test bank and talk about how you can answer it with strategy as well as nursing knowledge. So we have a 15-year-old female ingested 15 tablets of maximum strength acetaminophen 45 minutes ago and is rushed to the emergency department. Which of these orders should the nurse do first? So when the NCLEX asks a question like this, it's probably because all the options are going to be correct. But which would I do first? Which would I give priority to first? So let's think about it. We've got a kid definitely overdosed on Tylenol. When did they overdose? 45 minutes ago. Where is the problem? Where's the poison inside of this person's body? Still in the stomach, right? So let's think about that. What can I do to get the most poison, the biggest problem out of the stomach right now? So I've got options. A, gastric lavage, which is stomach pumping. B, mucomist, which is essentially the antidote to protect the liver. D5, wide open. And D, have them drink activated charcoal to absorb anything in the GI tract. How can I give the most beneficial intervention to this person? A, gastric lavage. Yes, because I'm going to pump as much as I can out because it was less than an hour ago. Remember, all of my NCLEX questions for RN and PN have rationale. So if you want to screenshot this or go and sign up for my free test bank and go explore it yourself.